Good morning. I know I look crazy right now, partially because I just came off a 12-hour shift. It was actually a pretty good shift. But to my darling wife and to others who are out there who might not know how to care for cast iron, there's a whole movement of people that never wash their cast iron. I'm not necessarily part of that. I wash my cast iron. You can come for me in the comment section, that's fine. But to my wife and to others, you cannot wash cast iron and then leave it to dry. So what you have to do, if you're going to wash your cast iron, and again, there are a certain set of people that are going to tell you, no, you cannot wash cast iron. If you're going to wash the cast iron pan, wash it out with your soap and a little bit of salt. Scrub it out. Immediately get something and dry it. You cannot turn it upside down and leave it to dry on its own. This is what will happen to it. You have to wash it out and immediately dry it. And I don't mean like pat dry it, I mean dry it. Make sure that there's no moisture left on it. If you really want to go the extra mile, rub it with some oil and put it on the stove to warm. It doesn't have to be hot. You're not gonna cook. Just lightly warm it after you've oiled the pan. And what you will get is a pot that looks like this. Clean and not rusted. Now people will say that is from that, and I'm still treating this one. You can do that with other things when you hand wash these. I get it. Definitely don't put it in your damn dishwasher. But if you are going to go the route of washing it, you have to immediately dry it.